Good afternoon. It's Sunday, March 14th, 2021. And it's a wild afternoon outside, everybody. It's wild out there. Hope everybody's staying safe. I'm here to give you an update on this late season snowstorm we've got going on. It's currently about 28 degrees Fahrenheit. It's minus 2.22 degrees Celsius. But it feels like it's 14 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It's cold. It's windy. That wind is really blowing. Almost in the area of 30 miles per hour. Brr. Well, apparently there's a blizzard going on, and she's got a name. This baby's called Xylia. Xylia. And it's a blizzard. We're in the middle of a blizzard, everybody. In the middle of March. Amazing. We'll get back to the weather map in a moment. But first I'd like to share with you some scenes from around the area earlier today. There's some plows heading around. Everyone's plowing. We can see that it's rather bleak outside, although it's quite beautiful. The snow has come up much higher by now than this picture was taken. It's probably up past the wheels of that vehicle at the moment. It's almost whiteout conditions. It's gorgeous. So let's see another little clip here. Wow, those plows. Those are the real heroes of the day. And probably not a great day for a picnic out there, but you know, you're welcome to go and try. Here's some video from our correspondent, Lou, the weather guy. He took a trip out to Aurora, and it's cold. Looks like his numb fingers have found their way in front of the lens. Hey, Lou, move your fingers out of the lens. But yeah, thanks for being out there, Lou. Wow, a real mess. Well, you know, maybe now's a good time to go to our correspondent out in the field and see what's going on. Lou, are you there? How is the weather where you are?
Yes, Lou. The weather, it's snow. And lots and lots of snow. As see, it's snowing. There's lots of snow everywhere. It's very cold. Windy. Snow. But it's beautiful.
What's the word on the
What?
street?
Can't hear you.
What's the word on the street? How are people reacting to the snow? How are people
No,
reacting?
there's no one out here. I'm the only one crazy enough to be walking around. Well, behind me, you can see there's a couple of schools, and there's not a soul. Of course, it's a Sunday, and there's a pandemic, but it's heavy snowing. Back to you, Lou.
Thank you, Lou. Stay safe out there. Well, that was Lou. He's out braving Blizzard Xylia. We'll have a nice big hot coffee for you back here, Lou, if you manage to get back to the weather studio. If not, let us know and we'll send someone out to try and to drag you back, man. Take care. Well, speaking of the weather studio, Here are some scenes outside of the weather studio. Thanks, dude. We need that. And oh, it looks like someone's gotten stuck out here. It's always a beautiful sight, though, to see neighbors helping neighbors. I'd give him a hand. I think I'm kind of tied to the weather desk for a moment here. Can you get it to go? Oh, excellent. There's a happy ending to the story. We love that. We love that. So, what can we expect for the next day? What's this storm going to be doing? Let's go back to the map. You can see there's that wind. It looks like a hurricane. That's just in a nice tight spiral there. Let's see what we got going on here. What's the satellite imagery showing? Wow. Zoom out. Look at that storm. So just all the way up across the Midwest and the plains here. Let's see, about the past 2 hours, it's doing that hurricane stuff. Here we are in Denver. What's the radar looking like? Oh yeah, some precipitation out there. Let's zoom back into where we are here in beautiful Denver. The winds at the surface level, they're coming from roughly the north at 15 to 20 miles an hour. And we're getting gusts here of 30 plus, up to 35 miles an hour maybe. Wow. Wow. What are our snow depth accumulations? Looks like we're at, what are we here? 9.3 inches with 166 kilos per cubic meter density. That's pretty incredible. What's it over in Aurora? Well, a little close there. A little 8.8 inches. New snow, 11 inches, 11 and a half inches over the next 3 days. So next 12 hours we'll get about 8 or 9 inches of snow. In the next 24 hours, another 10 inches or 11 inches of snow. Changing models here. Wow, we could be getting up to 18 inches of snow in the next 24 hours. Or as little as 6. All depends on the model you want to believe in today. It's really, really amazing out there. Well, stay safe. Probably stay home if you can. And most of all, enjoy the blizzard if you can. Stay inside. If you do go outside, enjoy it. Dress warm. And many thanks to the heroes driving the plows and keeping the sidewalks safe. Buttercups, have a great day.